Hello and welcome to Business Cleaning Solutions. Is it time to hold your janitorial service accountable? Studies show that on average, quality commercial cleaning can boost morale and increase employee productivity. A clean and tidy workplace leads to better focus, reduced stress, and less illness. The bad news is that inconsistent cleaning can cost your business money. And the problem is, how do you know if your current service is any good? Now is a great time to find out what clean really means with a commercial cleaning appraisal. This exciting new solution to inconsistent cleaning is designed to help businesses learn how they too can have a cleaner workplace with less hassle. In 30 minutes or less, this on-site evaluation is designed to empower businesses by providing insight into how clean their office really is. The appraisal can validate your current cleaning efforts or offer solutions for improvement. We're lifting the curtain on cleaning to help frustrated businesses achieve success in sanitation. As part of the appraisal, you'll receive a free cleaning inspection report, as well as a no-obligation cleaning plan that's tailor-made to fit the unique needs of your business. So say goodbye to the headaches that accompany a dirty workplace. Put your business on the path to a cleaner, brighter future by scheduling a commercial cleaning appraisal today. At Business Cleaning Solutions, we're at your service.